Gas bag. A person who talks too much about unimportant matters. She's nice, but kind of a gas bag. That gas bag kept talking for an hour. Giggle. To laugh in a quiet, silly, or happy way. The children giggled at the funny joke. She giggled when she saw the cute puppy. Gross. Something that is very dirty or disgusting. The trash can smelled really gross. The bathroom was really gross. Stumble. To trip or almost fall while walking. The little boy stumbled, but didn't fall. Be careful, don't stumble on the carpet. Cheapskate. Someone who doesn't like to spend money. Don't be a cheapskate, just buy the gift. The cheapskate gave only one candy to the kid. Knackered. Very tired or exhausted. I'm knackered after work today. I was so knackered, I fell asleep on the couch. Clutter. Too many things in one place that make it messy. There is too much clutter on my desk. Please clean the clutter from the floor. Slam. To close something very hard and loudly, like a door or window. Please don't slam the window. He slammed the door when he was angry. Rant. To speak in a loud and angry way for a long time, usually when you're upset. He always rants when he's angry. My dad ranted about the noisy neighbors. Tranquil. Very calm, quiet, and peaceful. The lake was so tranquil and still. He enjoyed the tranquil evening after a busy day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!